Hello, investor. Glad to have you back here on my channel with me. And today we are going to be talking about something that is probably on the mind of everybody who is a beginner in the Nigerian stock exchange market. So don't worry, sit tight because I got you. Today we're going to be talking about the myths that are in the Nigerian stock market. There are a lot of misinformation floating around out there, and I am here to set the record straight. Grab your favorite snack and let us debunk some myths together. Alright, myth number one: investing in the stock market is like gambling. Alright, let's tackle this particular one. Investing in the stock market is nothing like rolling the dice at a casino. Sure, there is risk involved, but it is not all lucky based or all luck based. In fact, successful investment requires research, strategy, and long-term mindset. It is more like planting a seed in a garden. You nurture your investment over time, and hopefully they'll grow into something beautiful. And this brings me to myth number two. So the myth number two: you need a lot of money to start investing. That's not true. Not true at all. When I start investing, I start with 1,000 naira. Honestly, not true that you need a lot of money. You don't need to be rolling in enough of cash before you get into the stock market. If I start investing with as little as 1,000 naira, because I started with 1k, it is all about getting started and gradually building your portfolio over time. Remember, every bite counts. Every little bite counts. I haven't said that you don't need a lot of money to start. Just start with the little that you have. This brings me to myth number three: stock market investing is only for the rich. What? Wrong again, honestly. Investing in stock market is for everybody, regardless of your income level. Whether you are a student, a young professional, or someone nearing retirement, there are investment options out there that caters for your financial situation. Plus, investing can actually help you build wealth and achieve your financial goal. It is not just reserved for the elite. No, it is not for the rich only. If I had known that there was something like an Nigerian stock exchange market where I would have built wealth over time, I'd have started really when I was in university, because obviously we had a lot of money that time. Alright, so this brings me to myth number four: you need to constantly watch the market to be a successful investor. You have headache, you have high blood pressure, you have migraine, everything is going to be on your head. Let's scatter that one, right? While staying informed about market trends is important, you don't need to guard your screen 24/7. No, you don't. In fact, trying to be on time or trying to time the market or constantly reacting to every fluctuation can do more harm than good to your money. Exactly. Successful investing is about staying disciplined, sticking to your strategy, focusing on long-term. Sorry to short-term traders, I'm not saying it's bad, but for beginners, I would always give the option of going for long-term, because for you to be a short-term trader, you need to know some things. There's some basic things you need to put in place. This brings me to myth number four: you have to be a financial expert to invest in stock market. I am not an expert. Not true at all, right? I don't need to have a degree in finance or be a Wall Street guru. Invest in stock with a little bit of research, some guidance from reliable sources. Like, I had a friend who helped me. I'll go back to that story. And your willingness to learn. Anyone can become a savvy or an investor. Remember, everyone started somewhere. Even Warren Buffett was a beginner once. Hope you know that. Bump those myths from your head, right? I'm happy that today we're able to debunk 5 myths about the Nigerian stock exchange market. Investing doesn't have to be a lot of stress, right? With the right knowledge and mindset, you can become a successful investor. And that is that. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, and subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe to this channel for more tips, for more tricks, for more of adventure in the world of investing. Until next time, happy investing.
Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.
I wanted to tell you a story, right? Having the right set of persons can help you, do you a lot of good. I remember when I bought Cadbury, Cadbury tea that we drink, the purple sachet Cadbury tea. I bought it, and well, the essence of the story is to tell you that I bought the stock, like the stock itself on the market, and when we bought it last year, that was when the heat came, I was affected, and the first time I'm going to be seeing myself doing something very big, like something very big. I almost died of high blood pressure. High blood pressure rather. I was saying, I want to sell. The luck I had was I was part of a community, and he helped me a lot. And the moment I reached out to somebody, because obviously my coach is very busy. People that I have in my group are big men, top people who don't have time. And this is me, a small girl who was always like, hey, I reached out to her. She was giving me the evil vibe, and I'm happy I got the vibe. She told me, don't sell, leave it, just keep it. I'm like, are you sure? She said, don't sell. In this market, you don't lose any money. Any money you lose, you hold yourself responsible. I kept it though. So I held that stock from last year. I can't remember again. But from last year when FX issues came up, there were a lot of stocks that were affected, that were hit by that. Cadbury that we bought was meant to be an explosive stock. Hey God, and here was FX doing his wonder. That's one thing. Fluctuations happen in the market, and you cannot even decide, or you can't even tell. I kept it, and guess what? In January, late January into February, Cadbury, thank God, Cadbury gave us a return that was, in fact, you see the money that I was losing, profit that I had on top was like, let me not give you a margin so that you don't start thinking so much, but the profit was amazing, and I'm like, what? Come to think of this thing, I was even about to sell this 3 months back, 2-3 months back. No way, I am never selling. Why did I not sell? Because I had the right set of persons to talk to. Get yourself a community and be there.